Welcome to Buhl Library. Buhl Library is Grove City College's information and study center. With thousands of books and journals and access to nearly unlimited digital resources, it is a critical element of the college's academic infrastructure. It opened in 1954 and replaced Lower Campus's Carnegie Library. It is named for Pittsburgh businessman Henry Buhl Jr., whose posthumous foundation helped cover construction costs. Buhl Library was the final piece of the Olmsted Brothers plan for Upper Campus, begun 24 years earlier, which now included academic and administration buildings, Harbison Chapel, dormitories, and a gym. Buhl Library featured a central reading room, reference library, a rare book room, offices, and the stacks, containing shelves and shelves of books for generations of Grovers to read, reference, and cite in countless footnotes and bibliographies. A team of librarians and staff helped guide students in their studies, with head librarian Diane Grundy, class of '65, on the job for more than 40 years. In 1984, the Weir C. Kettler Technological Center was built and connected to the library. By the 21st century, Buhl was beginning to show its age. The library had kept up technologically with changes in the information space, but its mid-century layout and outdated building systems were ripe for renovation. In 2022, with encouragement from then President Paul McNulty, class of 1980, to make it the coolest place on campus, Buhl Library underwent a top-to-bottom renovation. The result was a reimagined space that supports the facility's existential functions while creating new areas for students to study, collaborate, and flourish, including a coffee shop and patio. For more than 70 years, Buhl Library has been an essential part of campus life. It is a refuge and resource for students who are growing in knowledge and wisdom.